Nyama Choma literally means roasted meat. You can find a Nyama Choma joint practically wherever you go in Kenya because of Kenya's unquestionably extraordinary love for Nyama Choma. Nyama Choma can be found all throughout the country in small eateries, upscale bars, and hotels. However, there is always that restaurant or establishment where you can be certain that you'll never make a mistake because of the mouth-watering, delicious Nyama Choma they provide. Nyama Choma is served with ugali and kachumbari, but you are always free to choose an alternative side dish, followed by your preferred cold beverage. Some of the most renowned Nyama Choma joints in Nairobi are: number 1, the Green Spot Gardens. There are several Nyama Choma zones to choose from along the Eastern Bypass in Ruiru, Kiambu County. However, Green Spot absolutely has delectable Nyama Choma. It is surrounded by an endless line of sellers who will break their necks to get you to choose their glittering goat thigh. Green Spot comes alive especially on the weekends. Number 2 is the Smith. The Smith in Ongata Rongai offers some of the best Nyama Choma. It is located along Magadi Road in Nairobi. Nyama fans who are bored by the monotonous routines and congestion of Nairobi come to the Smith to not only relax, but also to eat their exquisite mbuzi choma. Number 3 is Carnivore Gardens. Carnivore is probably the most famous Nyama Choma restaurant in the world, nestled along Langata Road, Nairobi. Travelers come to this destination to sample a variety of meat including bush meat. Families, couples, and individuals of all kinds come to this location in large numbers to taste the famed carnivore nyama, which truly explains the name's significance, carnivore. It is also worth noting that their costs are on the higher side. Number 4 is Kamaki's. Nyama Choma and Kamaki's are relative words. The well-known establishment is actually a rare rack of dozens of Nyama Choma eateries with passionate clients who will drag you out of your vehicle and take you to their meat stand. It is located along the Eastern Bypass. The commotion that occurs before a sitting of delicious Nyama Choma here is legendary. Furthermore, Kamaki's is famous for serving Nyama Choma pieces to potential customers in an effort to win them over. Number 5 is Coco Jambo. One of the greatest Nyama Choma events in the city can be found at Coco Jambo, which is located along Dennis Pitt Road in Kilimani, Nairobi. It is secluded from the turmoil of the city and offers unique hideaway shelters that protect you from the sun or the rain as you enjoy your Nyama Choma. You can take down your Nyama Choma with any drink of your choice, which are fully stocked there. They also make delivery, so you can always make an order if you are unable to go there yourself. Number 6 is Ole Polo's. Ole Polo's Country Club is located in the outskirts of Nairobi in Kiserian, Kajiado County and serves delicious Nyama Choma. Just like Kamaki's, Ole Polo's is practically associated with Nyama Choma. Customers arrive at Ole Polo's in large numbers to enjoy the view, the thrill, the air, and of course the classic slices of tantalizing Nyama Choma. Number 7 is Juguna's Place. Juguna's Place, which is situated along Waiyaki Way, has been around for more than 3 decades and its fame continues to grow. Every day the restaurant is packed with nyama-hungry customers who consume tender bone after tender bone. $1 million deals are made here as well. Number 8 is Quiver Lodge. Along Thika Road is a place called Quiver Lodge, which sprang into the scene with all kinds of scandals. But one thing is certain, a Quiver Lodge nyama serving is always a safe bet. It is tasty, expertly prepared, tender, and most definitely extremely affordable. Thousands of customers visit Quiver Lodge every day to feast on their nyama and leave the grills barren. Number 9 is Roadhouse Grill. There are many Roadhouse Grill locations in Nairobi, all of which serve delicious Nyama Choma. However, the most well-liked Nyama Joint, where wealthy Nyama fans congregate to unwind, listen to peaceful music, and consume perfectly roasted goat ribs, is the one located along Dennis Pritt Road in Kilimani. Number 10 is Sagret Hotel Equatorial. Nyama Choma flavor spreads into the air as soon as you check into Sagret, a hotel in Nairobi that is situated along Milimani Road. Their mutura is also to die for, and their accompaniments range from the most obvious to the most unexpected. Number 11 is Maxland Grill and Lodge. Maxland is one of the Nyama Choma joints in Nairobi that every meat lover ought to know, particularly on weekends when some rumba music will be playing in the background as you consume your portions. The atmosphere is wonderful and extremely local. Maxland's peaceful ambience and surroundings will make you feel refreshed despite its location in the busy Westlands neighborhood. The hotel serves so many customers, so you should not be in a hurry whenever you visit. It is not only known for Nyama Choma, but also other types of wet fry, dry fry, mutura, etc. Ugali, chips, and mokimo are mainly the side dishes that are offered to accompany your finger-licking Nyama Choma. Number 12 is Jiweke Tavern. One restaurant that serves mouth-watering Nyama Choma along Ngong Road is Jiweke Tavern. Here, meat lovers typically meet for platters of beef, goat, or pork that you probably won't be able to consume by yourself. The restaurant's atmosphere is welcoming, open, and designed with children in mind. It has plenty of parking and is open from 8 in the morning till late at night. Jiweke Tavern strives to offer top-notch food to its customers at great pricing, so you can be sure you won't pay more for less. There are so many more eateries that offer great Nyama Choma in Nairobi, but I have shared the top best. You can feel free to add in the comment section any other place you feel should have been in my top 12. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video.